Now, let me show you how you can get a clock background on your Mac computer. So I think the best way is to actually download one from the internet. So I'm going to open up Safari like this, and what I'm going to look up in here is the flip clock for a Mac. Obviously, there are more flip clocks or different clocks which you can download from the internet, but I would actually recommend you to get it this one. It's called Flip Clock Screensaver, and you can get inside the app. I'm not like affiliated with the app or anything, but the one I would recommend you to get is the Fliqlo. It's the most popular choice. It would look like this on all of your devices, and you can simply click on it like that and then download it for your Mac. So you can see that's how you download it. The file has now been downloaded. It's a DMG installation file, so you can right click or double click on it and make sure you enable it like this. You can see that I'm going to replace the current existing screensaver, and as you can see in here, I have the ability to click on it like that and choose the flip clock. So if you have used some other ones, from those built-in options, you can go below and a part of the other, and at the end, you should be able to find the newly installed one. So the flip clock in here, make sure you hit it done. And this is what it would look like when you read your screensaver. It's going to display the flipping time. So it's actually very nice. And it just shows the time as like the background on the whole screen. So let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe for more tips and quick videos like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.